So we're now on to the last step of our laser engraved cup, which is getting it ready for actually engraving. So in the past, we modeled our cup, we rendered it, and then last time we added some artwork, flowed that onto our cup so that we could see what it looked like. If we're happy with everything, our last step is fairly simple. So I'm going to go back into top viewport, and right now I've got surfaces, I've got my extrusion here. What I need to do in my layers tab is make my artwork layer the current layer and turn off everything else. So all I should have is just my artwork here. Now, I'm going to do a Control A just to make sure that this is all I have, but I can see there's one little line of something right here that I do not need. That, oh, it was on my guideline layer. Okay, so now if I do Control A, yep, gumball is in the center of this. So there's two things that I need to do to finish this off and get it ready for engraving. First thing I need to do, or actually I guess three things. First thing I need to do is make sure that my artwork layer is black, which it should have been when I set it up. And I am going to hatch this, H-A-T-C-H. We want a solid fill, so we're going to hit OK. And then just to make sure I don't goof anything up, I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to group it together. I don't have to, but it's a nice way to make sure that everything's good. And then I need to rotate it. And I'm going to make sure I have ortho on, use gumball, rotate it 90 degrees to the right. I want the top of my artwork to be pointing towards the right because that is how the cup goes in the laser rotary. Once I've done this part, made sure everything else is off, just have my artwork layer, I'm going to save my file, and then I'm going to save this onto a flash drive so that I can take this part to the laser, open it up, and engrave my cup.